Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to unblock someone on WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Tap on the three dots icon from the top right corner. Go to the settings. Tap on Accounts. You will see the privacy option on the top of your screen. Tap on it. Now scroll down, look for blocked contacts, and tap on it. Tap on the user you want to unblock. Then a screen will pop up. Tap on Unblock from the pop-up screen. And you will unblock users on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful and you're able to unblock someone on WhatsApp. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.